Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be talking about how to create forms using AI. Specifically, the tool I'll be using is Copilot. So here's what we're going to be doing. Microsoft Forms with Copilot, which is the AI tool from Microsoft. Now, keep in mind you need to have M365 license for this. So Copilot has two versions, the free version and the M365, which works with your Office applications. It has to be either a school or university or your work account, right? So your Copilot can be assigned to your account that can integrate directly with your Office apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams and Outlook, okay? Now, I'm going to demo how to create an online form from an existing Word document. So let's say, for example, I have this survey sample right here. It's a Word document, and I want to create a form out of this document. Now, traditionally, what you have to do is go to your Google Forms or go to your Microsoft Forms, and you have to copy and paste every question, and you have to create the question type, which is a multiple choice, and you have to enter every single option manually. Now, if you have a long survey, which is about maybe 10, 20, 30 questions, this is going to take you a considerable amount of time, maybe more than 30 or 40 minutes, simply by copying and pasting every single question and every single option for the answers. So in this way, we want to be able to use AI to create the survey directly online. Let's see how that works. Step one, you have to go to your Edge browser and log into your Microsoft Forms. Go to Microsoft Forms and log in. Once you log in, you're going to see this page. Okay, that's your Microsoft Forms login. You have to make sure you log in with your school or work account or university account. Click on New Form. Okay, I'm not connected. Let me just connect. Okay. Click on New Form. That will create a new form template on your Microsoft cloud. Okay. Now, when you have your Copilot active, your license, you can get the screen right here, and this allows you to edit the form that you want. And here's the prompt which you want to be able to create out of the Word document, which is the sample document that we saw right here. Now, step one, you have to make sure this document is saved to your OneDrive. Okay, so just OneDrive. Once it is saved to your OneDrive, then Copilot will be able to access it and be able to create and interact with that document. All right, so I've already done this. I've saved it to my OneDrive. Okay, so I'm going to go here, create a form from this file. You hit slash, you enter the form name, survey sample, select it, and then you hit send. All right. Now, here's where the magic happens. It automatically going to start creating, looking at the template, looking at the document, and will create the form for you right then and there directly on the Microsoft Forms, right? And that's the form right here. It has all the questions. Here's a description, the title, and everything. And let's say maybe you forgot to add something. Maybe I want to collect the user's email address for this form. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to say, please add at the top of the form to collect the user's name and email address. And now it's going to do that automatically. And just like that, now you have your form. Okay? The name, full name, please enter your full name, address, and all that. Now, obviously, if you want to make some changes, you can. If you want to remove some stuff, you can. It's still generating right here. Just make sure it's finished generating the whole form, and then you'll be able to add it and edit it, right? Just like that right here. So that's the form for you right here. Okay, you can preview it. Oops, go back. To save it, sorry, you have to save it first, and then you can preview it, and then you'll be able to edit it, and then you can publish it online and so on. Okay, I'll stop right here. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments.